Hello everybody, this is Elad Morad here from Elad Reviews and welcome for a new video. In this video today I'm going to give you a quick review about a new software called ProfitHub. We'll see what is exactly ProfitHub, we'll see what you can do with it, all the features and things that you can do with ProfitHub, and I'm also going to show you the Costume Mega Bonuses bundle that you can get if you will buy ProfitHub with my link. So if this video interests you, let's get started. So right now you are watching my screen. This is my computer and I'm in the members area, the dashboard of ProfitHub. If you will buy ProfitHub, you will get an account like this, and from here you can do all the things. So what is exactly ProfitHub? It's a software, like you can see, it's a dashboard, and from here you can creating a website. For a one-time fee you can create unlimited website, unlimited domains, unlimited emails. You can get a protection website hosting for only one-time payment. Like you can see from here, you can do all the things, all the features. You can install WordPress in one click. You can adding a domain, you can adding some groups, you can add autoresponder, you can adding mailings, you can edit DNS records, you can also activate SSL for free. This you are paying one time and you get all this feature. So what you can do from here, so after you're logging in to your ProfitHub account, you will see this dashboard, and from here you can do a lot of things. So one of the things that you can do is you can adding a domain name. So clicking here on manage on the domain section, and here I can click on add, and I can adding my own domain. All you need to do is to adding this IP address to my domain, and my domain will point to the ProfitHub hosting account. So I can add here some domains, and here you can also adding unlimited domains. So you can adding for one hosting account unlimited website. So this is really interesting and really powerful. Well, another thing that you can do is you can here on the administration adding a user account. So I can click in here on add, and I can give to one of my virtual assistant another account, and I can also choose all the permissions that I can give to my virtual assistant, or one of the owners of the website, or the business, and I can just picking here the permissions that I can give to all the other peoples. I can also do here some backups. I can also add in a file manager, so I can add in some files based on my domain. I can log into my domain, and I can also add files, plugins, pictures. It's an hosting, and you have an unlimited hostage and bandwidth and traffic to your domain. So you can also adding here an email account based on your domain, and can log in here to your webmail. You can activate SSL for free, and here you can click on Softchaculus, and here you can install all the software and plugins to your website. So if you want a website based on WordPress, you just clicking in on WordPress, and you can install it on one click. You having pre-installed WordPress on your website, and you can see all the installations that you can add: gallery, open real estate, PHP, and also you have here more installation like Joomla, SPF, MyBBB, OpenCart, and more. And you can also have some backup tools to back up your website. So you just need to add in your domain, and in one click you can install all of these pre-installed applications in one click, and you're having a pre-installed ready to made website. So this is how all the Profit Hub works. You can do it a lot of things, and the real benefit that you can get from here is you only need to pay one time, and you're getting an access to, and you can add unlimited website. And if I can compare it to other hosting services like Bluehost, SiteGround, Hostinger, and many more, in most of this host company you are paying monthly, so you will need to pay between $10 to $20 every month, and you can get an host for a monthly price. And here you only need to pay one time. This is one payment of $70, and you can getting an access for unlimited host, unlimited domains, unlimited website, unlimited emails, all you can get unlimited. So let's go to my bonus page to see what is the price, and let's see also all the upsell that you can get if you will buy Profit Hub. So here you can see what you can also all the features and things that you can do with Profit Hub. It's what I show you on the members area. So it's also new friendly. You have an IP reputation. All the website is really speed. It prefers speed. You can edit your own DNS, having automated backups, DDoS protection, and many more. The panel is really newbie friendly, and everyone can use it. For in just few minutes you will understand all the things that you can do from the panel. So this is the price of Profit Hub, and also all the upsells that you can get. So like I said, it's $70 one-time payment for the warranted, and you also having 5 upsells that you can get. So the number one is the Pro Edition for $37. Number 2 is the Enterprise Edition for $47. Upsell number 3 is the Done For You Edition for $39. Upsell number 4 is the Reseller Edition for $97. And the upsell number 5 is IMX Bundle for $197. So here is all the benefit that you can get if you will buy Profit Hub. And let's see right now what the bonuses that you can get if you will buy Profit Hub with my link. So to going to this bonus page, all you need to do is to click on the link on the description down below this video. It will point you to this bonus page, and if you can click on one of this particular button, it will take you to the Profit Hub sales page that you are going to watch in more few minutes. But what is the bonuses that you can get? So the number one is creating unlimited content to your website. This is a software that you just need to install on your computer, and from this application, from this software, you just need to fill some information, and it creates you unlimited content to your website. And this is actually really high converting content, and you can get it for free with this tool. You don't need to write anything. All you need to do, fill some information, and you're ready to make content. So this is bonus number one. The bonus number two is how to drive a bunch of targeted traffic with free traffic from TikTok. So TikTok is one of the best social media right now, and you are miss a lot of targeted traffic if you don't use it. And here you are having the perfect guide on how to drive targeted traffic from TikTok. So this is bonus number two. The bonus number three is Engager plugin for your website. So this is a plugin that you just need to install on your website, and it will allow you to create polls and quizzes on your website. So here you can see what your website visitors love, which content that they want you to put on your website, which offers that you love, and all you can do all of this from one plugin. It's a really good plugin to increase the time that the people visit on your website, see what they like, and also it will make you a lot of money if you know what your visitors do like and love to do. So this is bonus number 3. The bonus number 4 is make your website blazing fast. So this is another plugin that you just need to install on your website, and it will optimize your website for the best speed that you can get. This is really powerful if you are having a lot of content on your website, a lot of images, and you need to optimize it. So it's make your website a lot more faster. So people that go into your website not needs to wait a lot of time. In one plugin you can get a really fast, blazing fast website. So this is bonus number 4. The next bonus is learn the secrets how to rank number 1 in search engines optimization. So this is a guide about SEO. If you're having a website, it's the most powerful thing that you can have is a good SEO on your website. SEO is the ranking on Google and Bing and all of the search engines. So in this guide you will learn how to do it in the best way, and how to rank number 1 in the best ranking on the search engines. So this is the bonus number 5. And the last bonus is access to all vendor bonuses. So the vendors of the Profit Hub is offer more than 20 good bonuses that you can get, and it's worth more than $1,000 in bonuses, and you will also get all the vendor bonuses if you will buy Profit Hub with my link. So you will get all the 20 vendor bonuses and also all the custom mega bonuses bundle that I'm offered to you if you will buy Profit Hub with my link. So all you need to do is to click on one of this yellow button, and it will take you to the Profit Hub sales page. So this is how the Profit Hub sales page look like. In the headline you can see get the world #1 host unlimited website on rock solid cloud servers for a one-time record low fee. So here you can see all the benefit of Profit Hub. So like I say, it's a one-time payment. In one time you can install all the installation. You can add unlimited domains, unlimited emails, or you can get unlimited. It's a legal compliance, and you can also activate an SSL. It's an even DDoS protection and all the good things. So you can see some income proof that the people make with the website that they build. You can see the other price on other company, how much they pay for an hosting. So in this case you can see it's over $274 per 1 year, and here you can also need to pay one time for a life. So you can scroll here and see all the things that they write, and also all the things that they offer. You can also see a demo. So this is what they also watch by me in the video, and you can go over it in your free time. So this is Profit Hub. This is how it's look. If you want to get Profit Hub, all you need to do is to click on the link on the description down below in this video. It will take you to this page. All you need to do is to click on one of these yellow button, and it will take you to Profit Hub sales page. You need to pay $70. It's a one-time payment, and you can get also Profit Hub and also all my bonuses and also all the vendor bonuses. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, type on the like button, and also subscribe to my channel to see all the future reviews. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.